You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Expediting America. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Expediting America. Today is Saturday and we just dropped off in Augusta, Georgia. Here's the kicker. I gotta be in Los Angeles, over 2,000 miles away by Thursday at 3 p.m. at the latest. I have two private shippers, a furniture manufacturer and a furniture retailer that I made prior arrangements with, and I don't want to let them down. Problem is, it's a holiday weekend and the load boards are super slow. So my only chances of getting to the West Coast and not deadheading and coming out of pocket for gas is using third-party apps like uShip and Shiply and just seeing what I can come up with. Spot next to the lake here. Just chilling, got the door open, got the bed down. I'm gonna crawl up in here, kick it with my dog, enjoy the view, and we'll keep going tomorrow morning.
The light, turn right onto West Hill Street.
It's been a slow weekend, and it's a holiday weekend, so the boards were pretty much very dead, and everything that came up was gone in a second, and people were probably trying to get home, so they're taking cheap rates. So I didn't get anything off load boards, didn't get anything using carriers, because I need to get to California to help out a private shipper that I committed to and told him I'd be there at a certain time. So which is next week. So I started heading west, and I was like, let me just hop on uShip and Shiply and see what I could do. And came across a few things. So that's what we're doing this weekend. We're picking up a few extra side jobs. We picked up just north of Atlanta.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? I'm picking up this dresser from Morgan Wilson and taking it to California.
All right, put it on.
All right. You guys have anybody to help load up, or no?
Sundays we don't.
No, on Sundays? All right. Okay. I'm going to work on doing this. Thank you. Clearly, there was a miscommunication somewhere along the way, because the person I talked to on uShip did assure me that there would be someone to help me load up the van. But since there wasn't, I offered this guy off the street $20 if he helped me load up. He said, sure. After we got loaded up, he said, keep your money. I said, cool, man, I appreciate it. I'll pay it forward. And I know most of you guys are thinking $650 to go across the country doesn't make any sense. And you're right, it doesn't. It is completely stupid, and I don't suggest anyone do as I do. I'm literally praying for a miracle that I can get a few more jobs to cover my costs to get across the country, because when I head back east from the West Coast, I have $2 plus a mile on the loads already guaranteed. It's not paying much, paying $650. But I got a few other things. I got a lot of extra room in the van, and we're gonna hustle this weekend and make it happen. Right now we're in Louisville, Kentucky, picking up two items. One of them for $800, which is like a fabric bar, they call it, and then there's a bench. So those two things I'm picking up here. I'll still have some extra room, and then we're heading to Kansas City. All right, Bubba, I'm gonna go in here, grab the stuff. Your job is to sit here, make sure no one steals the van, and no one steals the treats, all right? Deal? All right, buddy, I'll be back. All right, so we're all loaded up. I got your bench right here, and then your fabric bar here. I got the glass piece for that underneath this table here. So we are good to go. If you want to know why Bubba Joe looks sad, it's because you still haven't liked this video. Like it. We got about 4 hours till we get to St. Louis. Christina?
Oh, sorry, hold on.
That's okay. Hi. Supposed to be picking up a bike today?
Oh, yeah.
Where's your doggy?
Well, he's up front. His name is Bubba Joe.
Where's your dog?
Yeah. Yeah, he's a YouTube star. Funny enough, Christina is actually a bigger YouTube star than Bubba Joe or I combined. Right, let me go get my Check out her YouTube channel here.
Here's your doggy.
This is Bubba Joe.
Bubba Joe.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a mix between Luna and Bailey. He looks like if Luna and Bailey had a love child. That's what their kids would look like.
Oh, he's dripping snot all over you.
Dripping snot. Fine thing.
Is that your wheel?
Yep.
Those are the wheels. Let me see if I got something.
What are you doing?
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Give me 1 second. Here you go, buddy. You like Legos? Can you play with that?
Oh, look at that. That's so cool. You like that Lego car?
Yeah.
Well, tell him thank you for the Lego car.
Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy. I gotta get out of here though, so I gotta close this door. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you. It's been quite a journey deadheading from the east to west coast, picking up things along the way. We're now at $2,085. Let's see what else we can get. All right, so we are on the Kansas side of Kansas City. We got about, I want to say 1,700 miles to go or so till we get to California, to our first stop. And I think we're gonna go about 1,000 miles today and then finish off tomorrow night. What do you think, Bubba? We told these people 7:30. We're here early. It's 7:20. Yeah. Well, I followed somebody in. Yeah. Bubba, come here. That's not your car. How you doing?
Good. Around the corner.
Around the corner. All right. Come on, Bub. Always got to grab my keys because this guy will hit the lock button. You will. He will lock me out. How you doing this morning?
Good.
Beautiful day, huh?
Yeah, it worked out perfect. I just got back, so.
Yeah, you were up early. You were up when I was
at
up.
3.
Yeah.
But the airport was busy.
Yeah. Airports are always fun. Not.
I'm gonna let you pull this up.
Yep, whatever you need, you let me know.
Pull it up, and I just gotta. Where'd your dog go?
He's in the truck.
Oh.
His name is Bubba Joe.
Bubba Joe.
Yep, he's my buddy.
Love it.
He's the boss. Which one? This one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna slide it back here. Perfect. You kidding me? You kidding me?
Lawrence is small.
Yeah.
You know, if I was in LA and had to get around.
Oh my goodness. Tell me about it. I try to stay away from those places. Unfortunately, I got to go through there. I'm heading to San Francisco, then down to LA, and then I'm coming back to Dallas, and then going to Hampton, New York. So I'm doing
Where's this bed going?
This is going to down near between San Francisco and LA, I think. Yeah.
Oh, look what you got. Wow.
Yeah, this is my little. Usually I haul for like Procter and Gamble, GM,
Oh, that's
Ford,
great.
and I have just like one crate or two
That's
crates.
great.
But this weekend was slow because the holiday or whatever, and
Oh,
I just use uShip and do a little side hustle and
Yeah.
make a few extra stops. All right, we're good to go. Still got one blanket to spare. Still got room if we need something. I can put something where my bed is, so we're good to go.